on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for south central Laclede County, northeastern Webster County, northwestern Wright County, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Niangua, Duncan, Twin Bridges, Grove Spring, Ritter, Odin and Competition. This includes the following low water crossings: North Cobb Creek at Highway B, Osage Fork at Highway J, Cantrell Creek at Scott Creek Road, Parks Creek at Highway J, Cobb Creek at Highway B, Elk Creek at Highway Z, and Osage Fork at Auburn Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Laclede, Webster and Wright.